Have you ever pressed a DTF design where you placed the wrong design on the shirt, the alignment is off, or transfer is just straight up crooked like this? Well, it happens to the best of us, even professionals, but don't worry, if this happens to you, you may want to try using a product like this. Don't worry, you don't have to screenshot it. I'm going to put a link in the description below. Let's go ahead and take a look at how this is done. Make sure you guys are wearing gloves first and foremost, all your safety items. And if you have goggles, put on goggles. I'm gonna stay as far as I can with this product. Let's go ahead and peel our transfer. Again, it is crooked, so I can't say it's nice, but let's go ahead and get this product. Let's put this formula all around the design. Now, I'm not quite sure if you can see it, but it's actually bubbling up and lifting up from the edges. So basically, make sure that it is all nice and covered up. And the more solid the design is, of course, it's gonna be more difficult to remove. So this works best with thin designs, especially something like this where it is knocked out and you just have a thin layer. So let's just go ahead and add more solution. And we're gonna work on the edge. Okay, lastly, there's a bit of adhesive on here. I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit more. I'm gonna go ahead and turn over my rag, and I'm gonna go up and down, basically rubbing with the lines on the t-shirt and just making sure all the adhesive is gone. If it's sticky, you wanna add a little bit more. It should be smooth. I'm just gonna add just a tad bit more, just because I want all the ghost elements gone. Okay, let's take a look at that. All right, I'm gonna heat it up. And it's not sticky at all, so let's heat this up. Okay. Let it cool down a little bit because the heat is definitely going to show a little bit of the previous transfer on there, but as you guys can see, it's clearing up. Just like that, it's gone, ready for you to put your new transfer on there. You just saved your shirt. Let me know if you guys found this helpful. If you guys have tried this, let me know if you guys have other tips and tricks. I'd love to hear you out. Always looking to share with you guys any way to get your t-shirt done professionally or removed. Catch you guys on the next one.